All right, so 53 here, we're in a new section, and the directions are simply solve the equation. So they've given us, they've given us radical q plus 3 equals 3. And when they say solve the equation, that means they want us to solve for q. Tell them what q has to be in order to make this a true statement. And so we want to isolate q, get q all by itself on one side and everything else on the other side. So in order to do that, let's go ahead and get rid of this radical sign. And the way that we do that is on the left-hand side, we're going to square. And whatever we do to the left, we also have to do to the right. So if we square the left-hand side, we have to square the right-hand side. And the reason that we want to square the left-hand side is because this square is going to cancel out the radical sign. And so that leaves us with just q plus 3 equals, and now what is 3 squared? Well, it's 9, isn't it? And so now, lastly, to solve for q, we'll go ahead and subtract 3 from both sides. And so we end up with q equals 9 minus 3 is 6. And let's go ahead and plug it back in just to see whether or not we get a true statement. So if q is 6, we get 6 plus 3 is 9. What is radical 9? Well, radical 9 is 3. So if q is 6, we get a true statement. So we know that our answer for 53 is correct.